When you start InDesign and you want to make a new document, go to the File menu, click New, select Document. From this window here, you can set how many pages you've got, so let's say 4. Check facing pages when you're designing for magazines and other publications. You can select the page size from the ones provided, or you can set a custom width and height. Number of columns means you can set your grid system from here, so I'm going to put it to 3 with a gutter of 5. And if you click the chain here, it means that you can independently change the margins without them changing altogether, which is what happens when the chain is clicked. Last thing, when you are designing for print, you need to set your bleed to be to 3, so that when pictures get to the edge of your page, you've got this safety net of 3 millimeters all around. Clicking OK, and now you've got your document. You see the red is the bleed line, the black is the size of your paper, and the purple are the guides for your 3 pages. If I open here from the panel, my Pages panel, I can see all the pages that I have created, 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you set a new InDesign document, InDesign always sets your first page to be a single page, the one that acts like the front cover of your publication, and then if you have selected facing pages, the pages afterwards are the ones that are facing. So an easy way to navigate is by double-clicking on the pages where you want to go. Now I am on pages 2 and 3. If I change my mind and I want my grid for this double page spread to be different, I have selected page 2, you see it's blue. I hold down the Shift key for the keyboard, click on page 3, and now I've got both pages selected. So I'm going to go to the Layout menu, Margins and Columns, and from here I can either reconfigure the margins or I can change the number of columns that I've got. So I'm going to make my columns be 2 and click OK.